Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy Jerry, and we're looking at his 52 Chevrolet Sedan delivery. Wow, this thing is cool. It's got a nice restoration, bright yellow paint, 350 engine. I think it's got a 350 turbo transmission. We'll try to dig into the rear end. Got those nice vintage California plates. This thing is solid. It runs great. Got about 4,000 miles on the odometer, which was reset when they finished the restoration. Got some nice wheels. It's got good rubber. And it's a sedan delivery. Oh, I see it says Prime on the wheels there. Let's take a closer look. Got plenty of room in the back. Some nice custom upholstery work. Got the bow tie. Looks good. Sounds great. Let's take a peek in here. Seats are nice. Aftermarket steering wheel. It looks like it's got tilt and cruise. I don't know what that's out of, but we'll dig into that. It's got some new gauges. What does it say? 45, 48. That's low miles on a 350. Got the bow tie on the door panels. Seats look comfy. That door panel looks good. Looks like we're missing that thing right there. That handle on that wing window. The other side's got it. This side it's missing. Glass looks good. Split windshield. So hey, if you like these sedan deliveries like I do, you should give me a call. My name's Michael Platt. I own Platt Motors, Anderson, California, 707-599-9448, plattmotors.com, plattmotors@gmail.com. I took a bunch of still photos. Please check them out at my website. Feel free to call me with any questions. I can help with shipping anywheres in the country and anywheres in the world. I'll broker the shipment and I won't charge you a broker fee. So if you're looking for a nice, solid sedan delivery, this could be the one for you. Give me a call anytime. Appreciate you looking at my videos, and I look forward to talking to you soon.